Brinkley, you gotta do better than that, man.
Hey, I haven't posted on my channel in a few years now, but I did decide to make a video on this roof issue and put it out there just because other people are having the same issues. I don't want anybody to take this as I don't like Brinkley or this is a hit piece on Brinkley. I love Brinkley, I love my trailer. I just think that the RV industry needs to get a hold of these quality control issues that are coming from the factory for all brands. Brinkley touts themselves as doing things differently, but as you'll see from the workmanship on my roof, I don't think they're doing things a lot differently or better. I don't know. You be the judge. If you want to come at me in the comments, it's RV life, that's fine. Come at me in the comments.
All right, I don't like this. Look at this. All this right here, that's an air bubble. And the tape that's actually adhered is just from right here. Less than a quarter, maybe not even ½ inch. See, I can push that in. That's supposed to be adhered all the way in there. See that? They laid this, they didn't do a good job. I've seen other people online with it. I don't know if you can see it on here. This is all hollow. It should be formed to this rail that it's covering. See it all the way down there. So there's barely any edge covering or adhering to the cap. That's the front cap. So all that wind's gonna be hitting this. I'm a little disappointed with that, Brinkley. Come on. What's this right here? What is that? Can you see it pulling the tape right there? The tape is coming up right here. The tape is lifting and I'm barely pulling on it. And here on the other side, there's more of that stuff. It's just coming right out. Look at this. I'm barely pulling on this. That's the tape. Look at that tape coming up. Here we are at the back corner. I was just looking over the roof. Like I said, here's some more of that putty. This isn't necessarily coming up. It's kind of stiff, but look at this. I was using my blower to blow the roof off and I saw this flapping around. Keep in mind, Eternabond is meant to last up to 20 years if it's installed correctly. This is not gonna last a year. See if the other side's got the same thing going on. All right. See that little spot right there? I'm barely touching it. The wind and water are just gonna be hitting that. And that's all one big air bubble under here. None of this tape in this area is adhered. I'm barely touching this. That's not even sticking. So I've talked to or commented on YouTube videos by that RV tech where he has some criticisms about using tape on the roof. And I haven't always agreed with some of the stuff he said, but he is correct. If it's not installed correctly, it's not gonna do its job. And I'm disappointed in my brand new Brinkley that I paid this much money for, and the tape is literally peeling off the roof. It's been a couple months since I got this thing, and I'm either gonna have to fix it or pay a tech to come out and fix it because I don't have a truck because my truck is in the shop. Over 50 days, brand new truck. Anyway, whole nother story. But yeah, this is disappointing.